Here's how to draw Zolphius from Garten of BanBan, Chapter 2. First thing to do is draw a big circle. Then we're going to draw a smaller circle for the eye inside. Color it in black. And then draw another eye. And then for the mouth, we're going to draw a little hook shape right here. And then come over here and draw another hook shape that goes into the bottom of the cheek. And then the mouth dips down and goes up and connects. And draw a line that curves like this. Draw the exact same line, and then we're gonna draw a kind of triangle-y shape right here, and a smaller one inside. Now the fun part, we're gonna draw a bunch of scratchy lines all around the eyes and mouth, and this gives it the look that really makes it stand out. You just scratch in all different directions, just like you're scribbling like crazy here. And that's how you draw Zolphius from Garten of BanBan. Thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to check out the other drawing tutorials on the channel, and thank you for subscribing and liking the video. See you in the next video.